Welcome to Sonny's, the car wash factory. I'm Bob Fox with CarWash College. When it comes to our in-person car wash training and education, there's really no replacement. CarWash College's expert instructors, hands-on training, comprehensive curriculum, and certification opportunities are just a few things that make us the best in the business. Need more to be convinced? Let me sum it up for you. Would you rather train 30 minutes from the beach with unmatched vibrant nightlife and endless entertainment options? Or would you rather train here? Not to mention our Phoenix location, where there's year-round sunshine, stunning desert landscapes, world-class resorts, sophisticated cityscapes, and endless outdoor adventures. For 18 years, we've trained at these locations, hosting over 13,000 students in our state-of-the-art training facilities with the latest car wash technologies. By signing up, you'll not only level up learning, but you'll level up the fun. We're not bagging down our college game anytime soon, so what are you waiting for? Come have the training experience of a lifetime here at Sonny's CarWash College. We hope to see you soon. And as always, good luck and good washing.